Yo, entrepreneurs, ever dreamt of running your own online store without dealing with mountains of inventory? That's dropshipping, my friends. It's like having a virtual shop. You sell products online. The supplier handles the storage and shipping. You focus on what matters, marketing and making that money. Imagine this. A customer buys a cool phone case from your website. You get the order, send it to your supplier. They package and ship it directly to the customer. Boom! You've made a sale without ever touching the product. Pretty sweet, right? Dropshipping is perfect for hustlers like you. Low startup costs, minimal risk. It's the easiest way to dip your toes into the vast ocean of e-commerce. So, are you ready to ride the dropshipping wave? Let's go. Listen up, folks. Dropshipping isn't just about selling stuff online. It's about freedom, flexibility, and building your own empire. First off, low overhead costs. No need to rent a warehouse or hire a packing crew. You save big time. This means you can start your business on a shoestring budget. Second, location independence. Run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Work from home, a cafe, or even a beach in Bali. Third, scalability. As your business grows, you can easily add more products and suppliers without breaking a sweat. The sky's the limit. Dropshipping empowers you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and live life on your own terms. Who wouldn't want that? Hold on tight, because things are about to get really exciting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the dropshipping game. AI is like having a super smart assistant working 24/7 to boost your sales and automate your business. It analyzes massive amounts of data to find winning products, target the right customers, and optimize your marketing campaigns. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they even do. AI makes that possible by predicting trends, analyzing customer behavior, and suggesting personalized product recommendations. With AI by your side, you can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and profitability in your dropshipping venture. It's time to level up your game. Finding the perfect product to sell is crucial for dropshipping success. But let's face it, it can be overwhelming with millions of products out there. Don't worry, AI to the rescue. AI-powered product research tools are your secret weapon. They analyze market trends, search volume, and competition to identify hot products with high demand and low competition. These tools provide you with valuable insights like product price history, estimated sales volume, and even competitor analysis. Talk about having an unfair advantage. Forget spending hours scrolling through endless product listings. Let AI do the heavy lifting and guide you towards your next winning product. Section 5. AI-powered marketing for maximum sales. You've got your product, now it's time to get those sales rolling in. But how do you reach the right customers in today's crowded online space? The answer? AI-powered marketing. AI takes the guesswork out of marketing. It helps you create highly targeted ads that resonate with your ideal customers. Imagine showing ads for vegan leather bags only to people interested in sustainability and cruelty-free products. That's the power of AI. AI analyzes customer data, demographics, and online behavior to create laser-focused campaigns. It optimizes your ad spend, tracks performance, and even suggests improvements in real time. With AI, your marketing becomes smarter, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. Section 6. AI-driven automation. Sit back and relax. Running a business can feel like juggling a million things at once. But with AI-driven automation, you can automate repetitive tasks and free up your time to focus on growing your business. Imagine this. A customer places an order on your website. The AI system automatically processes the order, sends it to your supplier, and even updates your inventory in real time. You don't have to lift a finger. From order fulfillment and customer service to email marketing and social media management, AI can handle it all. This means you can work smarter, not harder, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Section 7. Real Talk AI Dropshipping Success Stories. Don't just take my word for it. Countless entrepreneurs are crushing it in the dropshipping world thanks to the power of AI. Take Sarah, for example. She used an AI product research tool to discover a high-demand niche eco-friendly yoga mats. She then leveraged AI-powered marketing to reach her target audience and automate her entire fulfillment process. Within months, Sarah was generating 6 figures in revenue, all thanks to her AI-powered dropshipping business. Or how about John, who struggled to find profitable products and manage his marketing campaigns? He decided to give AI a try and saw his sales skyrocket. John was able to quit his 9-to-5 job and focus on his passion full-time. These stories are just a glimpse into the incredible potential of AI in dropshipping. If they can do it, so can you. Section 8, Ready, Set, Dropship with AI. So you're pumped about AI dropshipping, but where do you even begin? Don't worry, I got you. First things first, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Once you've identified your niche, use AI product research tools to find winning products. Next, create your online store. Platforms like Shopify make it super easy to set up a professional-looking store in minutes. Then, connect with reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Now it's time to unleash the power of AI marketing. Use AI-powered tools to create targeted ads, automate your email marketing, and manage your social media presence. Finally, optimize and automate your business processes using AI-driven tools. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on scaling your business to new heights. Section 9, your AI dropshipping adventure begins now. The dropshipping world is your oyster and AI is your pearl. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Embrace the power of AI, take action, and watch your dropshipping dreams become a reality. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with AI by your side, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of dropshipping and build a thriving online business. So what are you waiting for? The future of dropshipping is here, and it's powered by AI. Take that leap of faith, embrace the unknown, and get ready to crush it in the world of e-commerce.